Do you want to know how you can log into your NetSpend business account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your NetSpend business account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for NetSpend Business Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see that this is the site for NetSpend Small Business, also known as NetSpend Business Account. What you need to do is fill in your personal details now. Make sure you have already registered your NetSpend business account, and then you can write down your username and password associated with NetSpend. Well, now click Login and then you can successfully log into your NetSpend Small Business account. All you need to do is go to your Google search bar and then search for NetSpend Business Login. Tap on the first link which appears on your screen. It will open up the official login portal of NetSpend Small Businesses. Now what you need to do is write down your username, your password, and then click Login. This way you can log into your NetSpend business account. You can click on Remember My Username too. And if you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to follow through. I hope this video about how you can log into your NetSpend business account was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.